Welcome to Alcove, your family corner in VR. Alcove is a virtual reality app that you can explore on your own or with your loved ones. To get started, allow us to take you on a tour and show you around. We'll go over what you can see and experience, and then let you dive in. We'll start here in the entertainment center. On the TV in front of you, you'll find a variety of content. You can interact with the TV using your controller and play any of our videos by clicking the play button in the center of the screen. To select a different video to play, simply scroll through the library and click on what you want to see. You'll notice there are several categories to choose from here at the top, ranging from entertainment to health and wellness and more. As you come back, be sure to check out this area as you'll see new content appear regularly. Let's teleport to the family area next, where you're able to customize the app with your own family photos and videos here on the wall. The Rendezvous family portal integrates directly, and you can log in and link to your Oculus account to upload family content quickly and seamlessly. Now let's jump over to the living room table. This will become one of your go-to destinations for games and interactive apps that you can play on your own or with family members. You can enjoy classic games like checkers, or try something only possible in VR with one of the Alcove partner experiences. All right, let's head outside. Depending on how you're feeling, you can always change the landscape here from the porch. Walking to the end of the porch, you'll find your virtual health and wellness area. Let's take a seat on the couch and admire the view. Take a look around the room and see which objects come to life. As you look around, you should notice several objects that will sparkle and glow when you look in their direction. This means that you can interact with them and start a new experience. If you do so, a pop-up will appear, explaining what's possible. All right, we have one more area to check out. If you look behind you, you'll see the travel room. Let's walk in there. Again, take a look around the room and see which objects come to life when you look at them. Like the hot air balloon in front of you, the small bus to its left, the convertible car, the frames on the wall, and the diver's mask and globe to the right of the couch. All of these contain exciting travel experiences all around the world and are definitely worth checking out. For a quick preview, let's take the bus tour of Paris. Once we start the experience, you'll notice the screen turns dark for a bit while it's loading. Before long, you'll find yourself driving around the streets of Paris. At any point, you can leave by pressing the back button. For now, let's head out and wrap up the tour. As you can see, there's so much to explore within Alcove. The best part is that you can bring your family members in and do these things together. If you ever get lost, you can always watch this tour again or check out the tutorial. We hope you enjoy your time in Alcove.